Hello everyone, this is me, Zilang Comment, also FreshTalk. Wishing you a very, very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. I do request all the viewers to watch the video from starting to the end. So here we go.
Hello everyone, so finally the most eagerly awaited Christmas is ahead. So it's a season for joy and fellowship with your friends and family members. So let's make this moment a beautiful and memorable one. Wishing you all a happy, joyful, peaceful and love-filled Christmas. Wishing you all a very happy Merry Christmas.
Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to you all. This year, in the midst of problems and sufferings in the world over, let us remind ourselves and let us reconnect our heart that the message of Christmas is still the same. It is the message of joy and peace to all. This is my message and my prayer that the spirit of joy and peace of Christmas will be upon each and everyone. And we have a message from the Bible that the angelic host came down and appeared to the shepherds who were attending their flock and conveyed a message that the Messiah is born at the town of David, which is Christ the Lord. And let us remember that our Lord is still the same yesterday, today, and forever. Peace be with you all.
I'm here to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and may this Christmas be filled with joy and happiness, and may this Christmas be a blessing for each and every one of us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Joel Beriame. In this very festive season, with a mood full of excitement and joy, I wish everyone a very happy Merry Christmas 2020 and a very happy New Year 2021. May this very Christmas bring a lot of joy, excitement, happiness, and a blessing for the upcoming year 2021.
Sweet Christmas. Kumchang maza kum kai gum sweet Christmas POF representative leader lamgna. Yung hay minabnay, yung kibo man, yung ko rakyan namza wispe gadale.
Greetings to you in the name of the Prince of Peace and the Lord of Lords. So friends, when we begin the year, none of us could promise to ourselves that we will get to see the end of the year. And we are totally disappointed with the outbreak of the pandemic. But then, by the grace of the Almighty and with His guidance and blessings, we are so fortunate that within a few days we are going to witness the biggest festival across the globe, that is Christmas. So here is my message to you all, that may this Christmas bring peace, love and joy to you and your family. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2021. Thank you.
Star signe misi ka sang Merry Christmas racha ga dile anai kum 2020 ting kum kadere manga sia jabam le sudu anui program ga lung jabam hanga ilang beting kum dile je ya luele ache bijek ne kele I kum mago Christmas mai ge mesaya ja nu ngo hadol me chang kam la ra hangge kangau bege te je sagrabe ba jene raberu ne ma kangau ma pa lung jit le jin je Christa ja nu ka hadol me chang kam kele wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Hi, wish you a very Merry Christmas to everyone. Sweet Christmas signa hai manaza rachagadle. Raza mi sweet to bega rabza. Rah muim zeri rahange wonke beting na mi pule kachebe anuichi miluze. Anulungwang chang zangi kele kachebe. Aiza chito wedle zai. The sea ibe guang wonke beting na mi pule kachebe chiluze. Namai anui klak lungge rakyanga lungge mikang makarai ge ang kai lakpa dai ko ba me zaina do Christmas jigna hai mana mi sui ke de the sea ibe guang zelung ke be mai changmali gumza be za the sea ibe guang na anui lungge samram dai za hai mana mi sui I mi lungwang chang the sea I zangi ke le zai mi sui te rabza nai kum ting kum Christmas ngau dai le ka che be arun ne mak janang ni hai mana do num chang lak ti lo le ka gana anui por ga sang le ra kan ya zina nai kum ting kum ge Christmas ni dai ra ni ngolu dele lung hang dai ra le na du ra gu hing nam ani ngo he ta chi bam rat le ka che ba za alam ne chi taw ga dele mi sui da
I got viewers ba nung te na za tikum chang na jang kai Christmas ngo chang lu be ze ga misui bera sam nung hay mana daga poiza lam le namai kadai prei pandemic hare zbam lus do peti ibe anira pede pega be bzegna Christmas keu zane Christmas timi wang chang lu bzegna misui sanglei zane namai misui be Christmas anira pezu rung ke be tinai pui wang chang bzegna ingwin te na do sui be Christmas racha ga jala mulai zai apo Christmas anira pezu su Christa wang ke be zna kadai prein te bna hanga peja ka hing nam be zane piki klaka ge kat nai be zai si be peja wang chang le ka che be racha ga le hai mna du tikum kar chi be 2021 wang ra be bnai 2020 Christmas zitailu za hai mna du racha le.
A short greeting for Merry Christmas 2020. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. May it bring you joy, happiness, and everything else you deserve. And let us give thanks to our Christ on this Christmas Eve for all His bestowed blessing that have sparks on our family. Happy Merry Christmas 2020.
Changna jang khai misui be Christmas hai manam je racha gai dele kum changna jang khai ting kum ja anui ki dere mahangya misui sia ba midwanga ba wang chang spam le jeles tu namai ge anui hanga chi bram le ne se te bia gai be anui tan to kam lo se namai a Christmas misui ba anui wang chang lu se gna hawang pe da ga misui sang le hawang iswa kristana ki dere ge lung ke gai be ge anui hanga te kam be ba na pu ke le Jai kidere lane ga peja te si iba ragu te si ibza ni te na da ga pe bam lo sui ba Christmas hai nam zera cha gai dele
sui ba Christmas sang na za kum kai kum ai mena mi sui je te ra nge ai mena do mi sui ba sam ra le dai kum kar si be mi sui ba kum kar si be do hai mena I je te mi sui be kum sang te ra nei na
Hi everyone, my name is Solilariama. I hope everyone is doing great. Merry Christmas to you all, everyone out there who's watching this video. And may this Christmas be filled with joy, happier, brighter than ever this year. And may this new year be wonderful, and may your all dreams come true ahead. Have a wonderful, prosperous New Year and Merry Christmas to you all.
Hello, FreshTalk family. Wishing you a very, very happy Merry Christmas, and this 2020 Christmas celebration bring you joy and be excited for the coming Christmas celebration.
Hello everyone, a very Merry Christmas to all of you. This year has been a very long year for all of us. We have seen people suffering, we have heard people dying. We have seen a lot of difficult things that happened this year. So I hope this Merry Christmas will bring us a lot of happiness and blessings. So I wish everybody to celebrate this Christmas with your family, with your friends, with fullest, like everything. Do everything as you can and just be happy. And I hope this new year will bring a very good new year for all of us. So a very Merry Christmas to all of us and a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all your family and friends. My rakang gab zigna Christmas anuin tayo manango dodera ngalup zigna raza to delay po zigna Christmas banay New Year zigna ay manaza iner chaga delay agu channel za rama YT YouTube ke agu channel to subscribe te lo je bize temna ay FreshTalk viewers te jaba je nekem delay. Thank you.
May the love and joy of this Christmas season be with all the viewers of FreshTalk, and I wish all the viewers of FreshTalk Merry Christmas 2020 and Happy New Year 2021. After a stressful month of this pandemic caused by COVID-19, we are here into the month of joy, that is Christmas, and so let the light of Christ be with all the viewers.
Christmas bang sang meja misui sang le da zai mina mi bam bang muna Christmas hai na ize to radle zanya kum chang na jang kai ket kum karchi ba hai na mi sui ja kum karchi bi ja dauranga gui kam ra dile suida.
Today I'd like to send a greeting to you and your family for Christmas and New Year. As we all know, the holidays are here and it's time to enjoy a festive season. Christmas is the day that hold all time together, and it's time to worship God together with our family. Many people are away from home for a month and a year, so it's time to be together with our family and near and dear one. In this Christmas, may you and your family cherish the wonderful memories of love, care and hope. So enjoy every minute of it and create a special memory. Have a wonderful Christmas and New Year 2021. Thank you. Have a nice time.
Okay, thank you so much to those who send the video. Though in your busy schedule you have arranged your time to send this video, so it means a lot. Let the joy and peace of the Christmas be with you all. Once again, a very happy Christmas and Happy New Year. So see you again in the next video.